All right, welcome back again. Today we are gonna do the water pump. So basically, go ahead and pull your power steering pump off, move it to the side, you pull your tensioner in the back for the AC compressor, pull your motor mount off, to kind of bring it up a little bit with the motor to make it a little bit durable, or you can go with a jack, just don't your oil pan. Undo this pulley to the water pump, get all your belts off, probably pull these timing belt covers off, because obviously you got to pull the timing off to do the water pump. You're gonna basically get these marks lined up with these. You're straight across technically. And then underneath, I have to get it in place, but it is, the wood drip key when you take the pulley off will be flat. So everything's gonna be basically horizontal for your timing mark to make sure it's on time. You got this cover right here, you got a 10 right here, and a 10 right here. That'll make your life a lot easier if you just pull it out. And then you can get to the last couple bolts in the timing cover there, and then basically this metal plate will come out. Now that we got the water pump out, we're just gonna clean up all the surfaces where everything's gonna mount, kind of clean up your timing marks, and just, we're gonna wipe it down with acetone or reinstall it. Way better. And that's how you do a water pump. Thanks again for watching.